So good afternoon, good evening, Daydreamers. So we are currently in City Walk, but we're walking to Universal Studios because we are having a Universal Studios Hollywood Pass Member Takeover after hours event. It's from like 8 to 12. So definitely excited for that. Gonna just see how it is because it's like the first time they've ever done anything like this, like as far as I know. So I can't wait to check it out. There's a bus admission through City Walk. But as always, we'll be taking you along inside and then we'll see you later. Bye! So this plaza area has some games here, little Coca-Cola zone with that cute little trailer, and then got the DJs. That's so cool. This event's presented by Coca-Cola, so that's why we have this. But it is so cute. So we have this.
Cindy, can I just smokers are after me? Smokers in the distance! Battle stations! Ellie, get to that tower, hurry! Max, Eagle alarm! Nice route, Eagle! Let's move! Tower, keep your head on the swivel! Eagle! Hey, come in! Ellie, you okay? Heads up! Girl! I got the girl! Outside! Hey! Where do you think you're going? Where you at, Manor? I got something here for you. Something a little bit more kick.
They're having technical difficulties.
Once you was a big favor, just stay in one spot,
I
nerd.
had to get another one, but he didn't do the jump. So now he's up there.
It's not my day. Get him! Anything like seaplane, or just die! Adios, cousins!
This place is gonna blow.
So it's 8:18. The event has officially started.
All ways that we used to working on, there's no cuts because it's one giant shot. This tram that's driving along through Skull Island is where the camera's from. This one represents where the screen is 10 meters away. We were creation about 50 minutes of a feature film. That amount of visual information, that number of
Dinosaurs loose in that mobile lab that was featured in the Lost World Jurassic Park. Speaking of loose dinosaurs, I probably would duck if I were you, because we've got some poisonous maybe dinosaurs out here on the loose, so duck and cover. Don't worry, it's just water. We're not hit, no worries.
She was talking. You're good, Mom. You're good.
Now, a common theme in the Jurassic Park movies is the theming of ink. They're called sprinklers. They shoot the water straight up in the air, and then the water falls all the way back down to the ground using only gravity itself. In order for this to show up a little bit better on camera, you can see that we are lighting the water strategically. And then it's reflected off of the strobe lights. It's a really cool effect. And oh, what's that? Do I hear something? Oh no. A little too much. Western stars you were thinking of, but they were here filming Once Upon a Time in Hollywood, Quentin Tarantino's film. Oh, on your left we've got a little brawl sequence happening. Classic Western. Now this street can also be seen in the new series Angeline, starring Emmy Rossum, that you can watch. It looks like all the time. Let's get back to the tour. Okay, hang on everybody. This might be the big one. First time personally, so I'm already excited. We've got our scuba instructor George. He's in the water right now, surveying everything, just making sure it's all good. Oh no. Oh jeez, I do not like the sound of that. Oh my gosh, I forgot about George. He's in the water. Oh, maybe we can yell at him. There he is. George, get out of the water! Everybody yell so he can hear you. Well, that was the waste of a Groupon. All right, so I think that it's probably best if we just hide. Yeah, that's going to be my best advice for us, is to hide behind this dock full of a bunch of gasoline. It's kind of hard to see what that is, but don't worry, it smells safe. So we're good. We put some bait at the end of that barrel. Great, we took the bait, incredible. There's nothing to worry about. Nothing. I stand corrected. All right, well, oh no, I lost the shark. Oh gosh, I can't see him. Oh, there he is. Wow. Everybody give it up for our mechanical. Be the literal last place that I would recommend you staying. This is the Bates Motel and the Cycle House up on the hill. These are some of the most iconic sets. We've got Norman Bates just standing interestingly in the window. But don't.
They'll see and they'll know. And they'll say, why, she wouldn't even harm a fly.
Now, from some of the most iconic sets to one of the most elaborate, welcome to the plane crash sequence from The War of the Worlds, the 2005 film directed by Steven Spielberg, starring Tom Cruise and Dakota Fanning. And let me tell you, this is the reason why you come and take this tour at night, because this is amazing. It's so much cooler at night, in my opinion. Now, this is really awesome to look at in person, but check out and see what they did with it on camera.
The airplane crash site was perfect example.
So we have Bart over here checking out. That's so funny. He's like literally jamming. Super Nintendo World early 2023. I'm thinking it might be spring, but who knows? But it's coming along. Oh, it looks so cool.
Beverage sampling was basically
Okay, so it's the end of the night. We basically just took a chill, mostly just walked around, rode studio tour at night, so saw some of the cool effects that they introduced like a few years back when they had like these summer nights at Universal. So that was fun to see again. Also just did the Harry Potter ride. Mostly just walked around just to see like what they had, like the DJ booths and stuff like that, and just everybody dancing and having fun. It was a really good time. Started to get chilly, but yeah, just spending time with my family and friends, and meeting other friends. It was good, and hopefully Universal gets to do another one of these events soon, because I actually enjoyed it. But as always, I'll take you along on the next adventure, and I'll see you later. Bye!